Monday I was broken, Tuesday I was hoping, Wednesday I'd be okay, but Thursday not at all. When Friday came around and you turned my life around, and now every day I'm not alone. When I'm with you, you make me move. I'm not living for tonight, not living for today. I'm giving you my life, life. It's all for you. You make me move. I'm not living for tonight, not living for today. I'm giving you my life, life. It's all for so hard to just be yourself. When you feel like nobody sees you, what's the point in crying for help? People always go through the motions. They don't know that God is there to hold them. Always getting lost in this and that. What's it all about? Gotta bring it back. If you only knew how we felt about you, it could change your life for sure. No matter the issue, he is with you to fight the giant and face the storm.
In the midst of your brokenness and what you're going through and what you're trying to cover up, what you don't want people to see, Jesus knows. He sees your broken heart. He sees all the tears that you have shed, which maybe no one else has seen. And he's not going to run away from you. You are loved. You are valuable. And you are accepted.